A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. Before starting work, we recite dua. So raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shirah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Students, hadith of the day is Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam al-jannati tahta al-aqdami umhat. जन्नत माँ के कदमों तले है। जी प्यारे बच्चों, कुरान पाक में अल्लाह तबारक तआला भी फरमाते हैं कि अगर आपके वालिदैन एक या दोनों, मतलब मामा या बाबा दोनों, बुढ़ापे तक पहुँच जाएं तो उनको उफ़ तक ना कहो, उन्हें झिड़को मत। इसी तरह हमारे प्यारे नबी मोहतरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है कि माँ के कदमों के तले जन्नत है। मैं आपको एक वाक़या सुनाती हूँ यहाँ पर। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम गज़वा की तैयारी कर रहे थे। बेटे मैं पहले बता दूं कि गज़वा किसे कहते हैं। गज़वा वो जंग है जिसमें आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ख़ुद शिरकत की हो, उसे गज़वा कहते हैं। तैयारी कर रहे थे, एक सहाबी आए भागते हुए, या रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मैं इस गज़वे में जाना चाहता हूँ। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फरमाया, क्या तुम्हारी माँ हयात है, तुम्हारी माँ ज़िंदा है? तो उन्होंने कहा जी जी बिल्कुल हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी खिदमत करो तो यही जहाद है। और इसी तरह आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम एक बार तशरीफ़ फरमा थे। एक शख्स आया, कहते या रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मेरे ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा किसका हक़ है? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया आपकी माँ का। उस शख्स ने फिर पूछा कि ए नबी मोहतरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मेरे ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा हक़ किसका है? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फिर वही रिप्लाई किया कि आपकी माँ का। फिर तीसरी बार उसने फिर पूछा ए नबी मोहतरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मेरे ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा किसका हक़ है? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फिर वही रिप्लाई किया आपकी माँ का। जब चौथी बार उसका फिर वही क्वेश्चन हुआ तो फिर आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया कि आपके बाप का। बेटे माँ का जो है वो रुतबा बहुत बुलंद है। वो हमारे लिए इतनी एफ़र्ट करती हैं, सुबह हमारे लिए उठती हैं, नाश्ता बनाती हैं, हमें रेडी करती हैं, स्कूल भिजवाती हैं। ऐसे ही है ना, तो हमें मामा और बाबा दोनों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए। क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क। स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन योर इंग्लिश बुक फ्रॉम योर बैग। Our lecture number is 20. Yes, and open the page number 24. Book page number 24. And there is activity of adjectives. Activity of adjectives. We already learned about adjectives in previous lecture. An adjective is a word that tells us more about noun. Tell us more about noun. For example, color, look, feel, smell, shape and number. Clear? Okay. And take your pencil in your hand. Activity of adjectives. There are two apples and according to picture we fill in the balls. Okay, apple. What is the taste of apple? Sweet or sour? Yes, sour? No. Sweet, yes. We fill this ball, apple is sweet. And second option, Color. What's the color of apple? Student, do you see apple? I have original apple for you. Yes, apple. And what the color of apple? Red. Yes, red. What the color of apple? Red. We fill this ball. I fill this ball with ball marker and you fill this ball with lead pencil. Clear? Number third, food. Apple is a healthy food or junk food? Healthy food. Good. Apple is a fruit and fruit is, yes, fruits are healthy for us. Okay. We fill the first ball, healthy. Okay. And next, feel. Feel. Smooth or rough? Yes, apple feel smooth. So I fill this ball with ball marker and these are adjectives. Clear? Good. And there are, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 1, 2. And we select the number 2 and fill this ball. Good. And last one, size. This size is big or small? Yes, students, this size is big or small? Big, small. Small. Big, yes. We fill first ball, big. Student, repeat this page with me. There are 2 apples and today we learn about apples. This is an activity and this activity is related to adjectives. What is adjectives? An adjective is a word that tells us more about noun. For example, color, look, size, sound, smell, taste, feel, etc. First one is taste. Apple is sweet or sour? We feel the taste of apple is sweet. So we fill the first ball. Okay. But the color of apple? Red. Yes, red or yellow? Red. And third, apple is a healthy food or junk food? Yes, it's a healthy food. It's not a junk food. Junk food is pizza, juices, not a fresh juice, candies, etc. And next, feel. Feel. When we eat the apple, we feel smooth, not rough. And number, there are 2 apples, so we fill the number 2. Size. The size of apples are big. Clear? Now start reading page number 24. Yes, and topic of this page is also adjective. Clear? Look at the picture. There is a hen and 2 chicks. We read about hen and chicks. Are you ready, students? Good. Okay, put your finger on first line. These are 2 chicks and 1 hen. Student, look at the picture. How many hens are there and chicks? 1 hen and 2 chicks. 2 and 1 are adjectives. Because you know very well An adjective is a word that tells us more about noun. These are two chicks and one hen. What is the color of chicks? Purple? No. Yellow? Yes. The chicks are yellow. The chicks are yellow. Chicks are big or hen is big? Yes, students, tell me. Yes, hen is big. The hen is big. The chicks are small. The hen is big and chicks are small. Students, revise this page with me. These are two chicks and one hen. These are two chicks and one hen. Chicks are yellow. The hen is big. The chicks are small. 2, 1, yellow, big and small words are adjectives. Now students, open your English workbook from your bag and take a pencil in your hand. Good. Open the page number 55. Yes students, quickly. Page number 55 and topic of this page is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Students, we fill in the blanks by using given adjectives. There are a few adjectives. We take our adjectives from this line and put in the blanks. And words are happy, big, short, sad, long, small. Let's start. Okay, the elephant is, yes, is it happy, big, short, sad, long, small? Yes, elephant is big. So we write here big. We take a big word from this line and take the big and write here big. Big. Big is an adjective. The elephant is big and the mouse is happy, big, short, sad, long, small. Yes. What the opposite of big? Sad? No. Short? No. Yes. Small. The mouse is small. Small. We write here small, at the end we mark a full stop. Clear students? And we tick on small word. Next line, the girl is dash. The girl is dash. Happy, short, sad. Yes, look at the picture. This girl is happy. So we write here happy. Happy is the adjective. We write here happy. And at the end we mark a full stop. The girl is happy. Yes. And the boy is, what the opposite of happy? Okay, we search. We tick on happy. Yes. Short, no. Sad or long? Yes, sad. The boy is sad. So we write here sad and tick on have a sad. Sad. The boy is sad. Look at the picture. Students, tell me what is it? Yes, branch. The branch is short, and long. Only two words are remaining there. Yes. Is it long? And look on the opposite side, there is a snake. Okay, now we decide there the branch is long. We tick on long here and we write here long. The branch is long. Only one words are remaining there. The snake is small. So we write here small. Small? No, yes. Remaining words are short, not a small. Be attentive to all of you. Yes, remaining words are short. We tick on short and we write here short. At the end, we mark a full stop. Students, repeat this lesson with me. Are you ready? Okay. The elephant is big, the mouse is small. Word big and opposite is small. But we read here adjectives. What is adjectives? And adjectives is a word that tells us more about noun. Here we read about size, big and small. Clear? The girl is happy. And what the opposite of happy? Sad. The boy is sad. Happy and sad are adjectives. The branch is long. The branch is long. The snake is short. Word long and opposite is short. Long and shorts are adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells us more about noun. Students, look at the below page number 55 and revise the dictation word by yourself. Fi manillah. Allah Hafiz.